Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block ads on Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. If you're using A73 5G and now you want to block ads on your device, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down, look for Google settings here, select it, and here select all services. And here you just have to look for ads section is the privacy and security section, and here's the ads. Just tap on it, and here just scroll down and look for delete advertising ID. Select it, then tap on it again. In this way, you can easily delete your advertising ID. After that, just go back, and here you will get the usage and diagnostics. Select it, then disable the settings. Just tap on it, and it will be disabled just like this. In this way, you can easily block ads from your device, which is the second way. You just have to try. Just go back, and here just go for main settings. From here you just have to look for security and privacy. From here just go for and here's the more privacy settings. Select it, and here you'll get the both two settings which we have just disabled. Just disable them as we have just used. Just go for ads, and here just delete your advertising ID which we have just deleted. Now go back into the usage and diagnostics. Just disable the ID and disable the settings by tapping on this. So that's how you can easily block pop-up ads from your Samsung Galaxy A73 5G phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.